What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. And today we're going to be talking about this, okay? This is a gaming keyboard. And the reason I wanted to actually deep dive into these is because gaming keyboards are selling and they are pretty much trending, especially since it is towards the summertime. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. But I think it's important for us to understand. Now, I don't game on any type of keyboard or let alone any type of mouse, okay? I'm not a gaming expert when it comes to the functionality of a keyboard. But one thing I will tell you is that when you're a reseller and you're looking to sell products, you want to be the one that hops on the trend before the trend happens. And that's exactly what we're doing. So this keyboard right here, it costs around $25 wholesale. Now, when you look up keyboards, gaming keyboards, I dare you to do it right now. You're going to see a bunch of keyboards at different price points. Now, what I liked about this one is that I had an option to pick out a few keyboards and they all had different brands on them. I chose the keyboard without a brand on it because I want to brand my product. Now, this is just some word of advice for resellers out there, is if you're looking to go out and to resell products, if you have a choice between a product that has a name brand or a product that may not have a name brand at all, it's two different things. Why do I say that? I say that because you can literally brand this headphone, but you cannot brand this one because this one is already branded, and also this one already has a stigma to it. So whether this company is a horrible company that does their customers wrong, has horrible quality, no matter how cheap you buy this product, the product is still gonna suck. You know what I mean? Like, people are still gonna look at this product and be like, oh man, like I don't want this. I don't like Joa, or I don't like Raycon, or I don't like Apple, right? They have their own stigma. So when you become a reseller, getting products that don't have any type of branding can really always give you a positive impact. Now, if we look at the box, I like that the box has simple verbiage on it. The box, it says gaming keyboard and mouse, and then it has a model number right here, which of course all products will have model numbers. But what I also like is it says metal panel, it says clear character, it says floating keypad, and rainbow light effect. So I like that it says the features, and then on the back it also has in English and a few other languages. For business, the buttons are comfortable and will not be blocked. The button feedback is sensitive. Press it to give feedback. USB data cable connection, ease of use. So it lets you know exactly what the keyboard does, and that's it. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna move you guys right here. Sorry guys, because it is really early in the morning. It is 6:18 in the morning right now. And it's not a lot of light, and I don't feel like turning on the full light. Okay, so we're gonna unbox this, okay? Let's unbox this together. So let me bring you guys down a little bit more. Okay, perfect. So we're gonna unbox this together. So opening it up, you see that it has a cover on it. I like that. Now, some keyboards don't have covers on it. It just shows you the keyboard. I like the fact that it has a cover on it. If I take this cover, well, first let's do this. Let's not even take the cover off yet. Let's keep the cover on. Let's put this to the side. Now, me grabbing this, I can honestly tell you it has some weight to it, and I like that, okay? Now, the mouse is what really scares me. Now, let me explain to you why I say that. Because with the mouse, right, now it has no manual or anything in here. It just has that. So with the mouse, right, while I like the mouse, I think this plastic is great, but the mouse, I'm not sure how gaming mice feel, but this compared to this, which is my Logitech wireless mouse. This mouse feels very minimalistic, if I believe that's the word. This one feels a lot extra. But then I can't say that that's bad because it's gaming, right? So it has like the rolling middle part. It has another button right here and then 2 buttons right here. So it has a lot of buttons. It says 6D laser gaming mouse for home and office use. Okay, so this is the mouse. I'll show you guys a little bit more in depth. And again, this mouse, it does feel good. It feels sleek. I do like that. I wonder if this lights up. I really wonder if that would be cool. We're gonna actually see if it lights up in 1 second, but that would be cool, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, all right, so that's the mouse. Now let's look at the keyboard. Okay, now this is what I'm excited about. So to show you the keyboard I'm currently using, so you understand what type of keyboard I like to use, I'm using the Logitech wireless keyboard. I like minimalistic keyboards. I like keyboards that don't do too much, but the problem with this keyboard is sometimes it sticks, okay? I don't know why, but I've had this for a long time, and if you wanted to change the batteries, you would pop off this gray case right here and change the batteries. Now this has some weight because obviously it's wireless and the battery slot is here, okay? So I love this keyboard, but I do want to create an aesthetic for the office. So what I would do is I would use the light up one. So let's see. So I took that off. Now automatically I'll tell you, this isn't too heavy, but it's not light. You literally can feel that this is a metal frame. This is definitely a metal frame, which I like. It makes it feel like these are, like I said, floating. Look at the keys, they are floating. And I'll show you guys everything. Okay, so again, I like this. I like the way it looks. It looks good. Now let's hear how the keys sound. That's important. Why? Because nobody wants a loud ass keyboard. This Logitech that I got right here is actually not a loud one either. But you can still, I don't like hearing my keys. I don't. But you're gonna hear it in some capacity. So now, this one, what I like is, other than my Logitech, which I might do a review on both, but this one shows you if it has cap locks on, number locks, or scrolls. I do like that. I like that this metal frame is here too. I don't like that it's not wireless, but again, when you have a device plugged in, it operates and it responds faster basically. So we're gonna plug this in and I'll be right back. How it looks. Now if I turn off the lights in here, you can see it a little bit more. So I like the floating keyboard aspect. The way I turn it off is by hitting this, and then it does not light up, but other than that, it lights up. I do like that. I like the fact that I can turn and see the scroll and caps, because I do have times when I don't even know they're on. And then when I look at the mouse, I like the mouse, okay? The mouse is lit, I'm not gonna lie to you. I like that if I am, like, it's very fast. Like, I will tell you that. Like, this definitely is a gaming mouse because I could definitely feel a lot of control. It's like these extra buttons, I don't know what they all do. That's the thing, like. But maybe some of them don't do anything, but I like it. I like this in totality. And again, the biggest thing with a keyboard, in my opinion, is that it's quiet and that I can use it. It looks nice. Now, this goes with the aesthetic that I'm going to be incorporating with this office. I'm going to be making it more futuristic, and it makes me happy. It just makes me feel like I can be more creative, and I really do like that. I enjoyed this keyboard so far. Of course, I'm gonna give you guys all the updates that I do have, but again, I was just settling and doing the minimalistic thing with the Logitech, which the Logitech is really nice too. It does the job for me. I like the quiet mouse, I like the quiet keyboard, but if you want to satisfy yourself with a color keyboard, you can do it without spending a bunch of money. And that's where I think the key is, because if you are somebody that has a PC build like me, it only helps for you to get something to where you can literally utilize a gaming keyboard, especially for the aesthetics, right? The aesthetics is important too. So what I want to show you guys lastly is how much something like this is going for on eBay or Amazon. So there's a bunch of different keyboards, and like a lot of these keyboards are going for different amounts. This is $29. This is $59. This is $179. This is $74. But I'm sure they have some real cheap ones. This is $49. This is $69. $39. You got $17. Okay, you got $37. So honestly, the point is that there's a bunch of different price points for keyboards. You can really capitalize off of there being a different market. And mind you, the markets have nothing to do with the keyboard itself, but honestly, the seller. The seller is going to be the individual that is going to determine what this keyboard is honestly worth based upon their pricing. So go ahead and get your keyboards, guys. I'll leave the link below for this one so you guys can check it out on wesply.com. I do have my own wholesale website and own wholesale warehouse in New Jersey. So I definitely want to be able to work with you guys, but most importantly, bring you guys great positive reviews that have my true intake. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.